Hello people. So after long I'm doing a product review, and the product that I'm reviewing today is this thing called Superfoods Kajal. It's by the company called My Glamm, and I really have to say this, yeah, from the time I started my channel, which was in December 2017, December 9th 2017, it's been my attempt to always speak about products and all that are, they have a certain value, and like in terms of unlike so many of these beauty vloggers who are like probably commercialized, for me when I recommend a product, it's because it's genuinely good. I mean, honestly, with the kind of I shoot these videos on my phone itself, so it's not as if I've been there's some brand endorsement behind this. So when I say that Superfoods Kajal, even the Raven subcategory, which you can get for just like $200 on Amazon, it makes it's just so nice and soothing for the eyes, because some of these other kajal products you use, it begins to itch and all, but here it's almost very what can I say, very soothing. Yeah, it acts like a balm to the eyes. So it's called Superfoods Kajal. You can buy it under the umbrella term of My Glamm and it is something I would highly recommend. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.